Hello, my name is Leonel Moya. I am 29 years old. I am living in Casillas Meta. I belong to the electronic engineering program. I am a technician and electronic maintenance and industrial instruments, and I work as an industrial instrumentalist. This activity is from the English Street course activity number 5, speaking assignment. The image that you are seeing refers to a tourist site in Casillas Meta. 5 months ago, I was in the Corbeca Tourist Center. The pleasantness of the site is mainly the climate, also its natural landscapes and place to work and visit. It is located 10 minutes from the city and easily accessible by car. The lagoon has an extension of 3 hectares in the place. There are canoes and we can also bathe. It has a small port where the canoes you can travel around the lake. Tourist center has pool service, soccer fields, volleyball, table tennis, pool table. They also have cabins for people to stay and spend a night. You can see a great back daybreak January. Thank you. Bye.